Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Teacher Cassie and I work with Novakid. It's good to have you back here in my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna share some announcement. I'm trying my best to speak in English all throughout the video for the sake of our viewers who are watching abroad. And this might also help them in applying at Novakid. But I am so sorry because English is not my mother tongue and this is not my native language. This is just my second language. So please bear with me. I don't have the best pronunciation. I don't have the best grammar, but I will do my best to help you and to explain everything that I wanted to say in English. Some terms might be hard for me to explain in English, so maybe I'll just say it in Tagalog. So please do understand. So let's get started, guys. Come on. In this video, I just want to announce that I am now a Novakid ambassador. Yay! I am now part of the two programs. First is the Novakid Heroes, where I make videos for Novakid and they upload it in their social media accounts, in their Facebook, Instagram, YouTube account. So you can check it out and follow them, subscribe to their channel, just like what I did. So I know some pages, Novakid School in Instagram, Novakid Polska, Novakid Mena. You can search it out, guys. You get to be updated about the upcoming events of the school. So yeah, that's the first one. And second is I am now an ambassador of Novakid. So what's an ambassador? Novakid ambassadors are Novakid teachers who can help you with your application from start to finish. They will guide you in making your introduction video. They will give you tips on how to pass the demo. They give free trainings about Novakid methodology. They conduct one-on-one mock demo and training for you guys to have an idea on what will happen in your final demo/interview. So I am now part of the Novakid program, and if you want to train under my mentorship, you can submit your application in the Google form, which I will put in the description box, or message me in my Facebook and Skype account, or you can also email me in my Gmail account. Please take note that different ambassadors have different ways to screen and train their applicants all throughout the process. So what I'm going to share to you is just my hiring process and under my mentorship. So let's get started. So what are the requirements that I'll be needing if you wanted to apply under my mentorship? First, I am looking for non-native speakers from the Philippines. Only Filipinos, because I am requiring them to undergo a mock demo with me. And I won't be able to do it with teachers who are applying from abroad because of the time difference. But if you want to meet me on my most convenient time, that would be okay. Second, diploma for proof that you are a graduate of 4 to 5 year course, because Novakid is not accepting college undergraduate or high school graduate. Diploma is a requirement and the company is putting it in our profile. Third, international teaching certificate like Delta, CELTA, TESOL, or TEFL. If you don't have one, you can take a course online, and it's not free, of course. You need to pay for a fee, but it's worth it because this is one of the requirements in almost all ESL company. They are looking for a certificate like this, and you can use this in applying not just in Novakid but of course to different ESL companies. So it's a must to have one. Next is minimum 1 year teaching experience with children. It may be an online setting or classroom setting. If you're a tutor, if you're a volunteer, or if you have experience with children. Next, you must render at least 20 hours per week. The working hours here is 2 p.m. to 2 a.m. But in my case, I have students at 12 p.m., 12 noon. And I know some teachers who are working up until 4:30 a.m. So I think the working hours can be 12 p.m. to 4:30 a.m. So it's either booked or unbooked. You just have to open 20 hours or 40 slots in a week. And last but not the least is the intro video. I have an example intro video that I will link in the description box below. So this is very important and you must give your best here because Novakid is so strict when it comes to pronunciation and grammar. So teachers are asking me what's the difference between application video and profile video. Well, application video is the video that you use in applying, and profile video is the video that the Novakid staff will put on your profile video once your account is activated. So profile video must be better than your application video. But in my case, I want my referees to save time, skip the hassle of repeating their intro video. I want that what they submitted to me as their application video is what they will also use in their profile video, so they won't have to make another one again.
Oh my god! Wow!
I have tips how to make a good introduction video, and I will also link it down below, or you can just find it in my YouTube channel.
Nice.
This is what I do. I ask them not to mention their country of origin. Why? Because it is already stated in your profile, so you don't have to say it anymore because parents can look it up in your profile. You don't have to mention your degree, and you don't have to mention your students' nationalities. This is based on my referees' feedback. Some of them are asked to make another video for their profile, and these are the things that the HR doesn't want to hear from the video or doesn't want to see in your video. Profile video is more formal than your application video. You should not wear bunny ears. You shouldn't abuse your manicam because, as I said in my previous video, you don't need to edit almost everything out in your video. Simplicity is the best, and you just have to take note of your pronunciation and your grammar, the way that you speak in front of the camera, and last, no need to put additional Novakid logo. So by that, it means that you don't have to put a logo here on your screen when you do the editing part. You can put the Novakid logo here in your background, and you can also put it somewhere here when you say welcome to Novakid, but you don't have to put it anymore in your video screen. I think they wanted to add it on a specific place, I think here or anywhere in the screen, so it's their job to put a Novakid logo on your screen, so you don't have to put it. That's what it means. So what I do is like this. If my referee's application video is okay, there's no problem with his grammar and pronunciation, then I would let him continue on move forward to the next step, which is the training process. Even if he or she has stated her country of origin, her degree, age, and students' nationalities, or if he or she has bunny ears, it's okay because it's just an application video. But they will ask you to make another video for your profile, but it's okay. But if there is something wrong with their grammar, pronunciation, I ask them to revise it. So I don't immediately decline the applicants. I give them second chance, and if there is something that they need to change with regards to their video, I specifically enumerate it on email or in message. So if you want to save time, if you want to skip the hassle of making another intro video for your profile, then we must follow the things that I said earlier, which are these. So let's go to the hiring process. My hiring process under my mentorship. So again, different ambassadors have different hiring process, but what I'm going to share to you is my own hiring process. First is the screening, where you will submit your requirements in Google form, your diploma, your certificate, and some questions like do you have at least 1 year teaching experience, what's your internet provider, and your intro video. So after you pass the screening, you will move on to the next step, which is the training. My training is only video training because I understand that most of the applicants are ESL teacher from other companies, from other ESL companies, and I don't want them to cancel their classes just to attend my trainings. So, and I am also a busy person and I don't have time to train the applicants repeatedly. So I just made a training video where the applicants can watch it anytime they want in their most convenient time.
Nice.
How would I know if they watched it? I would know it because I'm going to ask them on their mock demo, and I wanted to see on their mock demo the techniques and tips that I discuss on the training. So I think I would know it right away if they really watch the video or not. After that, we have the grammar test. So this is the time where they will submit their application on the Novakid site. So it also includes the grammar test. The grammar test is 30 items and you need to have a score of at least 25 raw score to be qualified on the next step. And after that, the Novakid will create your account in the Novakid platform, and next you'll have your technical test. For the technical test, I am not a techie person, but the best internet speed for me is at least 20 Mbps. For the laptops or PCs, they are not very strict with that. As long as your personal computer can support browser, I think that's okay. But this is the standard technical requirements that they want. Here, I will put it in the screen. Next is a methodology course. You will be taking a course on a certain website. They will ask you to take it and you need to finish it. Next is you're going to have a mock demo with the ambassador, with me. You're going to meet me in Zoom for at least 1 hour and we're going to have your mock demo. So for your mock demo, it will be divided into 3 parts, just like the actual demo, so they would have an idea on what's happening on the real demo. It's categorized into 3 parts. First is about questions about your teaching experience. Second is the demo lesson itself. And third is Q&A session about grammar, about Novakid, and we're going to tackle them all in your mock demo.
Novakid has changed the hiring process, especially the demo process. In your demo, you will be given a material one day or hours before your class, and you won't know what material it is, what level it is, what page it is. So it is very important to undergo a mock demo through an ambassador, because in my case, you will have an access with those lesson materials from level 0 to level 4, and I will also give you an access on my video lessons. I made videos on how to teach each level, so it's 25 minutes per video. It's from start to finish, and I acted like there is a student on the other side and I am conducting a real class. So in case that you don't know how to teach this slide, at least you have my video with you to study it. And if you don't know how to properly execute the objectives in each slide, at least you have my video to guide you. Again, when it comes to your demo class, you will ask to change the material 2 to 3 times or sometimes 4. Sometimes it depends on the interviewer. I know someone who changed her material 4 times from level 0 up to level 4. So you need to really study each level of the demo material. So that's it. I think that's the end of this video. If you want to know more about the hiring process, maybe you can ask me personally on my Facebook or my Skype or my Gmail. But I'm not sure that I can reply to all of your messages because I've been getting a lot of messages this past few weeks because of the ambassador program. So if you want to be trained under my mentorship, please fill up the Google form below, message me on my Facebook, email me on my Gmail account, or message me on my Skype profile. But my priority is those teachers who submitted their requirements on the Google form because it's easier for me to check their requirements because it's already there. Unlike if you just message me on Facebook and Skype, it will take time for me to ask you for your intro video, for your requirements. So just for the sake of skipping those conversations, maybe you can apply. Maybe it's best to apply on the directly to the Google form. So that's the hiring process under my mentorship. If you want to apply, it's easy as that. It might not look easy, but but I know that it will be worth it at the end. So if you want to compare, this is the process when you go directly to the portal, and this is my hiring process. Konti lang yung nadagdag, diba? It's better to have someone to help you in your application process, so you don't have to guess what will happen. So that's it for now. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you do, please consider subscribing to my channel, like this video, and share this video to your friends to help them and for them to have an idea about the hiring process, the new hiring process of Novakid. Thank you so much, guys, and I hope to see you on my next video. See you!